Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today from the price action perspective, and then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $9. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 9, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow actually manage to stay up above that $9 point, that would be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down here at the previous breakout point, and that sits at about $8.65. So 9 and 8.65 are going to be the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 9 or 8.65 would be best, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, going to have to scrunch up the chart here, so this is always a good problem to have. I realize things are getting harder to see, but like I said, it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So definitely a good problem to have. First key level of resistance going into next week, going to be right up there at about $9.25, which looks like it's right where it was rejected today. And then after $9.25, up there around $9.40. So keep an eye on those couple levels of resistance. All in all, though, as long as the price starts building higher bases as the days and weeks unfold, then that's how a long-term uptrend is going to be constructed. So we'll see how next week plays out, but should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.